Look at this plane. Come here. Almost as high as we are.
Wow, that's actually really cool that an airplane's flying us. Would that be bad or would that be good? Where is Mom? Where is Mom? Where is she down there? I can't see her.
She's waiting in the middle. Excuse us. No problem.
181 steps. They were wrong.
Gabby. Come here, babe. Gabby. Gabby. See our car? Right down there in the corner.
I see it behind the tree.
Yep. Look at the boats out there in the waterway. See them? Straight that way. Look out.
Look over there. Can we go up there to that part?
I don't think they're going to let us go up that far,
No, we
baby.
can go up that far. Just stairs. Yeah, there. Mom, Daddy, I want to go up that high.
Let's go in. Come on. Let's go check out the light. Just say, excuse me. Go on in. Go on in. You want to check it out?
Get me out here.
Yeah. You